In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free file uploads to Webflow forms fast, specifically in just 5 minutes. Now, if you've ever wanted to expand your Webflow site's capabilities by allowing users to upload files directly through your forms, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through these straightforward steps together. First, head over to Webflow's website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can find it at webflow.com. This is your starting point for accessing everything you need to build and customize your website visually. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Webflow makes it easy to get started if you're already registered, and if not, consider signing up. It's a great platform for creating custom websites without needing to dive too deep into code. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for all your projects. From here, navigate to the particular project you wish to work on by clicking directly on it. This action takes you inside the workspace of your selected project. Next, look for the Apps option on the sidebar and give it a click. This section allows you to integrate a variety of functionalities and extend the capabilities of your website. Isn't that exciting? Now, to help your users upload files through a form, you'll need an app called FlowDrive. Use the search bar at the top to find the upload function. It streamlines the process of discovering the app that you need. Type upload, and soon enough, you will see FlowDrive appear in the results. FlowDrive is the solution we'll be using to implement this file upload feature, using its smooth integration with Webflow forms. Click on FlowDrive when it appears in the search results. This will bring up further details about the app. Look over any information available to ensure it suits your needs, although I'm confident that it will. Finally, you'll see an Install button. Click it, and FlowDrive will seamlessly integrate with your project in Webflow. And there you have it. File uploading functionality on your Webflow forms, up and running in just 5 minutes. By following these simple steps, not only have you enhanced the capabilities of your website, but you've also improved the user experience by making it more interactive and efficient. Thanks for joining me today in mastering this key aspect of web development. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. See you in the next one.